This project is voice-based home appliances. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with the power supply 16:2 LCD. Here Bluetooth connected to Arduino UART port. DC fan and AC bulb controlled by relays which is connected to Arduino digital pins. Now power on this. Here we have to pair Bluetooth initially. Now it is asking password. Password is 1234. We have to open AMR voice app. Connect robot. Connected to HG05. With voice commands we can control loads.
Light on. Light off. Fan on. Fan off.